Okay, so one of the things you might want to put onto a web page is a form. A form is something that somebody can fill in and will be sent along to send information or to ask for information. So I'm going to put onto my web page here a form that somebody can fill in if they have a particular question they want to ask. So a question about passwords, or how do I report inappropriate content, or any question that I might want to ask about e-safety. So insert, and on a form I can just put individual things in. I can design it completely from blank myself, but I'm actually going to use the form designer because that gives me a little bit of help. And there's all sorts of ones I can pick from, so I could just pick one of their standard inquiry forms. Okay, simple as that, just use that one there. But I'm actually going to build one myself. So I'm going to start with, at the moment I've just got the title, which says blank form, and a submit button. Submit means actually sort of send it. So if I click onto the form, onto form title, I can change that to ask a question. Okay, I now want to add some fields, and I want two fields. I want a text area, so that's a place that somebody can actually put a question into. I'm going to go into field properties, and I can put that down as please type your question here, providing you can type. Okay, and the second thing I'd like to put in there, so I'd like to add another field so that they can get an answer. I'm going to put in an email. Okay, so ask a question, please type your question here, and they put in their email address. It's a very simple form. I can now go into themes and pick a theme, so I might like it like that, not really. Well, it looks quite nice, less nice. No, so I can pick through, and I quite like that one. Okay. Now the last thing I need to put on is the submission. So when somebody's filled a form in, what happens to it? And I want it to be sent to an email. So in here, I quite simply type in, I'm going to put in my email. So when the person presses submit on the form, it'll be sent to that email address. Click OK, put it onto there, go to Preview Internet Explorer, comes up, so I can type so how do I type cyberbullying? I'll put my own email address in there again. And when I click submit, okay, so it's saying that warns you, it's going to tell you who it's sent to. Click OK, and if I go to my email page, that will now have received that form from me.